francs, potentially. We're not really sure.
It's hard to say. And the reason I'm not sure is because there's no pink bulbs.
And if you're not sure, I don't think anyone knows.
But the bulbs are stubby. And they have the lamp lock on them.
Were those short bulbs exclusive to francs?
I've never seen them anywhere but Frank's. But that doesn't mean nobody else had them. But it's almost a sure thing. Like, it's a 95% certainty that they were from Frank's. But what's also kind of strange about this is that they're not end-to-end. And Frank's were, by and large, they were end-to-end. And the plugs don't have replaceable fuses.
So I think there's a couple different sets here. I saw one of them did have a plug. No, there's two sets here. Maybe that's what I was seeing. So I paid $3 per wrap here, and some of these have two strings. That was a steal.
I mean, even if you just get the, the holder alone is worth the $3 in my opinion.
Yeah, it is.
These are probably old enough to be U.S. made too. Although most plastic still is.
Yeah, any insignificant, unimportant piece of plastic is still made in USA. Can you hand me the light discarder basic?
Yes.
I don't think these are going to work.
You think that's why they got
Probably.
okay willed?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, we're off to a great start, aren't we?
Yeah. But, funny enough, I had a conversation with a guy in the store at the checkout. He recognized, oh, you got the old lights, the good ones. I said, yep, they're worth repairing. So let's see if this is just a quick...
Let me make a suggestion before you do this.
Okay.
Do one thing.
It's entirely possible that this may have a lot of bulbs burnt out, so you might want to do this on the Variac.
Well, this dims the set.
Okay.
So that kind of, which is actually brilliant because it protects you from that,
Okay.
that use case.
I forgot about that. Yeah.
But someone suggested that in the comments, and that is a good thing to do.
Yeah, what I usually do, because I don't have a Variac, oddly enough, is I usually...
You of all people should have
I know, you
one.
would think that I would have one. I usually just wire two of them in series. Or I put a light bulb in series with one of the strings.
Well, this might have something like a socket
Yeah, we're doing voltage tests now.
missing,
Or even multiple bulbs burnt out.
yeah. Well, usually you'll see it spark if it's like a whole... I'm seeing little sparks here and there. Well, I'll fix them. They're worth the time, but
100%.
I'd like to at least get one of these to show up on camera. One of them was at least half working. I tested a couple of them yesterday. That's kind of unusual for the whole string to go out when you got the lamp locks. I find these are usually very reliable.
These don't look like they saw outdoor use, so it's not likely that the leads of the bulbs are corroded.
Whoever had these definitely took good care of them.
Oh yeah, for sure. They don't look like they saw all that much use. Oh geez, do any of them work?
Yeah, I know one of them at least halfway worked. Part of the problem is the way these were wrapped up. The plugs are inaccessible on most of them, which is annoying.
That's unfortunate.
Wow, really striking out here. 3 for 3 is no good.
Did something finally break in your car on the way somewhere?
No, I would be willing to bet the reason these are donated to the store is because they stopped working.
Yeah, but some of them worked at the store.
No, I didn't check them at the store.
Oh, I thought you said you did.
No.
Doesn't matter, you would have picked them up anyway.
Yeah, that's why I didn't bother checking them, because I was going to buy them regardless.
Especially if they're most likely Frank's.
Yeah.
So this might have two strings on there.
I think so. I think all of them do except for that one. So we got 9 strings here for
not
$12
bad.
I mean, that's almost like modern day retail price for the garbage you can buy today.
Yeah, and look at the spacing on the bulbs. Where's the tape measure? They're probably 5.5, 6 inches.
Yeah, it looks about it.
Yeah, nice colors, except the blues are kind of faded, typical.
That's normal.
See, to me, these blues are not that faded. I mean, it is a little bit, but
this
they're
one
not
is,
bad.
but this one's very vibrant.
Exactly.
That one's very vibrant. Where is the tape measure anyway? Am I looking? Oh,
You've worked at this bench enough times. You want to know where
I
the
know.
tapes are.
so it looks like it's 5.5 inch spacing.
Which
So
is respectable.
yeah, that was very good.
And it's a nice thin wire.
Now, one of the interesting things about, because these look like they're strings of 50. So Frank's strings of 50 would have had like 8-inch spacing. A string of 50 was 36 feet. And I know that because I bought one to go around the front door, and I folded the string in half, and it worked perfectly the length I needed it to be. But that yellow looks great. The green looks great. The red looks great. The blue is hit and miss. Some of them are faded. Some of them look great.
In typical incandescent fashion, no flickering, nice warm colors. Yeah, there's something about these short bulbs. I remember these back in the 2000s. They're very nostalgic.
To tell you the truth, I think Frank's put 3,000-hour bulbs in their strings.
Yeah, they could have. 'Cause I know we had a bunch of blue and red solid strings that we had used outside, and those things were outdoors for many, many years, and they always worked. And I still have several of those sets to this day.
Yeah, I mean, when you came over recently, like I said, some of those strings are from 1999 and have more than half of the original bulbs in them.
Yeah, those strings probably came. Well, we used them in at least probably 2003 or 2002, so similar era. And this was the wrong camera to use for this video because it doesn't film these lights well, but they look great. And even if we have to repair them, well, we do. I think the $3 is still pretty good.
Yeah, even if you have to sacrifice one string to fix the other 8, it's totally worth it.
Do you know of a good source for bulbs that will work? Obviously, they're not going to be the right physical size, but bulbs that will work in this string in terms of voltage and wattage?
I've done well, and obviously not sponsored here, but I've done well with 612 Vermont.
What is that?
That's
a website?
Yeah, it's a manufacturer. I mean, I don't think they make it, but I've bought bulbs from them before. They have a lot of different choices.
What is the specs on these?
I'm going to guess these are probably 0.4 watt bulbs.
Okay.
2.5 volt, because they look like a string of 50.
Mm.
Yeah, so it's 20 watts, so 20 divided, yeah, that would be 0.4.
Makes sense.
I usually can't do math in my head, but that time I was able to do it.
Well, it's a very simple equation. Well, let's check some of the other ones and see if we can get more than one set that works. This is inaccessible. That's inaccessible.
So we're not even going to try it. Oh, okay.
This one partially works. No, this one just got a bunch of burnt out.
Like I said, this might be one of those, make 8 good ones from 9.
Well, if we can order bulbs, I would rather... I mean, I don't mind taking, brand new ones for bulbs, but I'd rather repair something like this because the physical set is better.
Well, so hear me out. So there's a compromise that could be made. Make 8 good ones from 9, and then just use the 9th set with all new bulbs, so that the rest of them match.
I'd like that option.
So that they're all the same form factor.
Because you got to remember, I don't have hundreds of these in a storage box somewhere, so this is all I've got.
No, just wait. You'll get there.
Yeah, no, I know. I'm slowly getting there.
It's a slippery slope, as you know.
Yep. But I like the idea to replace all the bulbs in one of them. Maybe I'll do that.
Yeah, and then use the rest of the bulbs for the rest of the strings.
Yeah, and then I could use the, whatever 75-cent strings from Lowe's for those bulbs, because they'd all be the same at that point.
Yeah, that's even simpler, yeah.
Excellent. So that kind of solved my problem for the replacement bulbs. The power factor's not one.
That doesn't make sense. There's probably some error because it's such a small amount of current.
Or could it be because they're burnt out and maybe the shunt plays with it? I don't know.
The shunt should be a short circuit of piece of copper, so...
Whatever, who cares?
The ringer on that cordless phone is too
Who
quiet.
cares about the power factor?
Yeah.
Well, I know somebody who doesn't care.
I could think of someone that hates power factor.